This is the remote control of the Skydroid H12 through this 2.4 GHz antenna to connect to its remote control receiver. Now, for the receiver, there is 3 connections to our wireless link. The first is a wired network connection, Ethernet, which is just these 4 wires connected to our Ethernet port, this small interface. The second connection is the S-bus of the remote control to our S-bus interface, which is the middle one. The third connection is the TTL port of the remote control, and then connect to our transparent interface, this interface. I just explained the connection method on the ground receiving end. This is the Skydroid side. This is the flight control. There are 2 connections between the flight control and our link. One is the telemetry port connected to the D3 data port. The other is the S-bus of the flight control. It is also connected to the S-bus interface in the middle. Then another one is connecting the IP camera. Here we use an IP camera instead of the drone gimbal camera. Well, that's all about the drone side. Now this software is the one that comes with the Skydroid, which can view the video via picture-in-picture. Click on the video to enlarge to full screen. To get the air camera video, this is a full screen. Then click to be back in the picture-in-picture. It proves that the remote control is through 2.4 GHz, and then through our link to access the camera in the air. And now in the ground control, I will show details here. Okay, let's disconnect the link first. Let's edit it and show details for you. Now it's through the network port to access the telemetry signal. It's sent to port 8080 through UDP. So we receive it through UDP 8090 port and explain it. Then we click connect. It shows that it is downloading the telemetry signal. It's explaining. It's connected. These signals have come out, which proves that the telemetry port is connected. This is the flight control data. It has video just now. Let's switch the video in the picture-in-picture again. The video is out. The picture-in-picture. This is good. We have showed the video demonstration, and the telemetry port has also been shown. Now there is also an S-bus. We use QGC, which comes with this S-bus. It will analyze the telemetry signal to display. The flight control has received this signal. It will move here. There are 3 demonstrations. First video. Second is telemetry data. And third is S-bus. Please contact us if you have any details questions.